In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use HubSpot calling in just 5 minutes. This guide will walk you through the steps to get started with making calls directly from the HubSpot platform. So let's dive right into it. To begin, you'll want to head over to the HubSpot homepage, open your favorite web browser and type in hubspot.com and hit enter. This will take you to HubSpot's main page, where you'll find all the tools and features HubSpot has to offer. Next, look towards the top right corner of the screen for the login button and click on it. If you're not already a HubSpot user, you might want to consider signing up because HubSpot offers a suite of incredibly powerful tools for managing your business relationships. Once you've logged in, you'll be directed to your HubSpot homepage. On this page, you'll see a variety of features and options. What you're going to want to do next is locate the call icon. It's usually found in the navigation bar or where your communication tools are listed. Click on this call icon. It might look like a small phone receiver. This is your gateway to start making calls directly from HubSpot. After clicking the call icon, you may notice a prompt or a link that says learn how to unlock calling. This is an important step if you're using this feature for the first time. HubSpot provides guidance on how you can fully enable and utilize the calling feature. Clicking on Learn How to Unlock Calling will provide you with additional details that can help you make the most out of this feature, especially if you're encountering any hurdles setting it up. Now, if the calling feature is something you find essential for your business operations and you're ready to make that commitment, HubSpot offers different plans. You'll see an option to buy now that will appear once you've understood how the calling feature can be unlocked. By clicking Buy Now, you can explore various pricing plans that best suit your needs. HubSpot's call functionality can enhance how you communicate with clients and colleagues, so reviewing these options carefully is crucial. And that sums it up. With this knowledge, you're now equipped to start using HubSpot calling. Remember, the ability to integrate calling directly from your CRM can streamline your communications and improve your team's productivity. If you have any questions along the way, don't hesitate to explore the help options within HubSpot or reach out to their support team. Thank you for watching today's tutorial. We hope you found this video helpful and that you feel confident in getting started with HubSpot calling. If you like this walkthrough, be sure to subscribe for more insights and tips. Happy calling!